Big 4 wheels, small 28, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Corolla, everyone's tires will be punctured. Don't get angry if the tires are punctured, click on the video to watch. I don't know how to repair, don't worry. Let me show you a slow motion, oil-based glue formula. It is easy to use a small amount. And it cannot be opened after it is glued. Apply it on one side and glue it on both sides. It is very simple to glue and repair. Apply glue to the seam, hold it with both hands and don't move. Wait for more than 10 seconds and it will work. Don't worry. Don't panic. It's easy to make miscalculations if you're anxious, and you can't write good articles if you're anxious. Mount Tai is high, so go up slowly. The Yellow River is deep, and you can swim slowly. You can cross the Yangtze River slowly. There are 3 treasures in the sky: the sun, the moon, and stars. People can see clearly with their own eyes. That's right. Real gold is brass, and on-site experiments prove it. Real gold is not afraid of fire to refine good products, and it is not afraid of doing experiments on the spot. Repair the tire, inflate it well, beat it hard, peel it hard, and make a big bulge. Let's apply some water and sprinkle it. Dab your urine and see if it bubbles or not.